Karnataka Home Minister Priyank Kharge has said that the state's forensic science laboratory has emerged as one of the most advanced and efficient forensic systems in India, setting benchmarks in scientific investigation, digital forensics and evidence analysis. During a visit to the FSL Directorate in Madiwala, Bengaluru on June 23rd, Kharge reviewed the laboratory's functioning and praised its contribution to criminal investigations. According to him, Karnataka's forensic system has become a model for other states due to its technical expertise, scientific accuracy, and significantly improved turnaround time for forensic reports. The minister highlighted that the Karnataka FSL is accredited by the National Accreditation Board and operates according to international quality standards. He noted that the state's digital and mobile forensic divisions have also been recognized as electronics evidence examiners under the Information Technology Act, a distinction achieved by only a few institutions in the country. Kharge pointed out that the laboratory's excellence in digital forensic investigations was recently recognized with the prestigious DSCI Award. He said the award reflects Karnataka's growing reputation in handling complex cyber and digital evidence cases. One of the most notable achievements of the Karnataka FSL, according to the minister, was its role in establishing scientific links between the high-profile murder cases of journalist Gauri Lankesh, scholar Kalburgi, activist Narendra Dabholkar, and communist leader Govind Pansare. The forensic findings in these cases received a national recognition for their accuracy and investigative value. The minister also announced that Karnataka is set to launch a dedicated wildlife forensic unit which will assist authorities in investigating wildlife crimes and illegal trafficking. The unit is expected to begin operation soon and will be the first of its kind in the state. Addressing manpower requirements, Kharge said that the government will prioritize filling vacant positions within the FSL, including scientific officer posts, to strengthen forensic capabilities further. He emphasized that despite a substantial increase in the number of cases over the years, the laboratory has dramatically reduced delays in forensic reporting. Earlier, reports could take up to 40 months to be completed, but technological upgrades and improved efficiency have reduced the timeline between 1 to 4 months. Kharge reiterated that the Karnataka government's commitment to building a world-class forensic ecosystem that ensures greater accuracy, transparency, and speed in criminal investigations, making Karnataka's forensic infrastructure a national model. Senior police and forensic officials including DGP Dr. M.A. Salim, ADGP P. Harishekar, FSL Director Divya Gopinath, and other officers were present during the review meeting. So viewers, what is your take on this? Share your thoughts in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.